You gotta trust man. Adam. Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk. You see.
Danjuma.
Yes, Oga.
You didn't sleep?
Oga, no best.
Take. Go and buy me fuel, 3,000.
Well,
3,000.
3,000.
100, everywhere is hot.
Okay.
Fast.
Oga.
I beg, everywhere hot.
Well, that junction.
Run. No?
Baby, let's go inside so let the battle begin. Yes.
Inside this heat.
Let's go, Joe. Let me go and fuel you before the fuel comes.
Ayo Maria Shawo.
John, how far now?
Danjuma, how far now?
My friend, how you, Oga?
Oga, it's on.
I won't buy fuel for police station. My Oga sent me. I dey come.
How much?
3,000 naira fuel, 9 cents. My Oga too like lights.
Okay, he said you to fuel 3,000.
Yes.
But how much you want buy? You, how much you want buy?
3,000, 9 cents. I go buy, man.
For you to make up for this life, it go hard.
Papa, it dey cost me.
No. Me insult you. Oga say you to fuel 3K, you want go buy for 3,000. You know guesses. Why this are the fresh as a get man for this area? I able to use gold. Or this are they do your own. Papa, now wisdom. As they say you for 3K, you buy 1,000. But keep 2K.
No, man. That's stealing.
That's nothing. That's smartness. Wisdom. You apply. This is business.
I buy 1,000. I save
2,000. Short. Not buy 1,000. Buy 800. Use 200 take transport. Come back. You save 2K. You take me later.
Oh my God.
I'm not.
But my Oga fit catch me, man.
You know what you go do? As you buy riches, pour am for inside generator. Before your Oga come, you no go mention as the enter gen. What you love?
Oh my God. They can't calculate the number of fuel in that.
No.
Man, thank you, man. Make I try out. What will you work? I will do more.
Bro, it will work. Go.
Thank you. I took
The update you give to
this man just this.
Danjuma, go and enjoy and share like me.
Danjuma.
Oga.
Did you turn the fuel inside the gen?
Oga, I turned everything, pa. What happened?
This one you just bought.
Yes, man.
Why is it not off?
Oga, it don't finish.
3,000 naira fuel. Finish.
It don't finish, man.
Under 10 minutes.
I can't say, Oga, the fuel they sell now everywhere is bad fuel. It be like, guess, I should put it like this before you know it don't burn finish. And man, the fuel now is too cost. 400 per 1 liter. How about man? The country is too bad. Too bad.
Go.
May everybody go do PBC, pa Oga. Hope you don't do your PBC. May fuel for
Take it.
so that well, how much?
8,000.
8,000 to our buyer.
Sharply. Carry bike. Run.
Oga, go do PBC, pa.
Run.
Make we for the see inside Nigeria.
Take bike.
Oh, God.
Uber, run.
Nigeria don't scatter. Oga John. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Cousin, that thing will tell me it work. You see, I buy fuel 1,000 before you know it finish. Then my Oga say, Danjuma, the fuel. Now I say, the fuel is bad fuel. The country don't spoil.
Yeah.
Now give me 8,000. Say buy fuel.
I like. So you want to buy 8,000 naira so?
Oh man, I will buy. How much I will buy per year now?
Buy 1,000.
Man, they gain too much, man. The profit too much, 7,000. How about I'll gain 7,000, my Oga go lose too much.
That's the problem between rich man and poor man. If na poor man now, see, the more risk you take, the more proximity to make it in life. Papa, buy 1,000. You save 7,000. If na rich man, they will do it. They know they think about. Buy 1,000 and make money.
If you don't risk it, you can't make it.
You can't. Oh, you even know him.
So now I don't gain 7,000.
7,000. You buy for 1,000, you still rush turn him.
I will turn out before you know. I'll come put the pole. I'll put them for half. So that it will drop small.
But if let's say you go get up the pass me.
Don't try. Might give you 1 pipe. 1 pipe. Onto
my
idea.
Yeah.
You don't try.
I dare with the one.
Who work go chop. Thank you.
Come. Now 2,500 you give me. Instead of 1,500, You know I don't fit cheat you.
2-5.
Yes, 2-5, my brother.
You be better person. It's not good to cheat, pa. Cheating is bad.
Very bad, my brother.
I dey come.
Oh my God, I don't fit cheat.
Aisha, my diamond in the sky.
I beg you. Diamond doctor. I never eat since morning. I dey tell me. Diamond in the sky where?
Aisha, calm down, man. It's not every time. You know every time you be shouting. You know every time you be shouting. I'm complaining. Take. This is 3,000.
My sweetie. Danju.
Stop. I'm on duty. No worry, take. Adam for the kiss. I dey come back, pa. Enjoy, chop my money. Ama, you come past 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Thank you. My Oga.
Hello, Danjuma.
Hello, Oga.
How are you?
I'm fine, Oga.
Have you bought the fuel already?
Now me they sell it for now.
No, don't buy. Don't worry. No need. They brought light.
No, Oga, they sell already. They know that they inside the gallon.
You know where?
Oga, I did for Kidia police station. I did put fuel.
You didn't keep the eye.
Kidia police station. I did. Now me they sell it for now.
Sorry, wait.
Una get another this about this one.
You say you didn't keep the eye, Abi?
The one for junction, man, I know best say I never consist now line. Quit too much, so but they can't sell it because they know me.
Okay, no worry, bite.
Yes, Oga, I will be here shortly.
No problem.
See that your guest man. Now so 800 and sometimes 1,000 for then they buy for you.
What? Say how much?
800 sometimes 1,000 if you too high 1,000.
That money buy 800 and fuel.
You don't know.
I didn't use 5,000, 8,000, 10,000. Maybe buy fuel. Hey. Small thing fuel don't finish. Go say una thing too cost.
The best filling station for this full place. Now this place.
It don't come here today.
You never What do you think?
Danjuma, are you mad?
Oga, no best.
Why you say you did since?
I said the nose and the day inside the gallon. See him.
Give me the money. Give me the money. I'll stop. Give me the money, my friend.
Oga, you see this life, bro?
Oga, talk to your Oga.
Oga, money is not everything, pa. Cause life is better than money.
Give me the money, my friend.
Now I dey talk, man. Now, Oga, how much you send me?
8,000.
You see where wahala dey, pa? As we dey come, you see cow for roads the pass.
Yes.
Many cow.
Yes.
Oga, if I tell you what things the cow for road do me, you will thank God say I dey alive.
Danjuma, where's my money, Danjuma?
Now I dey talk, man. Oga, hear me out. Those cow, they kidnap me. They kidnap me because say I go pay 2 million. Now I say, who am I to pay 2 million for kidnap? I come beg. They come say, okay, how much I get? Now I say, now 8,000. A man na my Oga money. They won't call you for phone. Now I say, no call my Oga is
You beg
busy.
cow.
I tell him, say, please don't call my Oga.
This my cow.
The cow, Baba pay cow pa. This country, they can't collect how much be 2,500 plus 1,500.
And that's 4,000.
4,000. Then they collect for ransom. Can't remain 4,000.
Oh.
That 8,000 now, it no complete. So put fuel 4,000.
Don't worry. Give me. Don't worry. Don't give me.
You not go patronize our police station again.
I'll buy for you. No worry. You will hear for me month end.
Oga, we are not longer safe in this country, pa. If snake go swallow money, nobody talk. Rats pursue president from office, nobody talk. Termite chop the country budget, nobody talk. Now cow we just kidnap me, the country talk. Saba, Oga, things are happening.
Je suis pas celle que tu crois, qu'un cabron n'a touché. Oh, babes, I think this guy is new in this area.
Run,
I don't know if you're thinking what I'm thinking. He's so sweet. Look the way he smiles. The way he walks. I bet you this guy must be very good in bed. Especially when he rolls on your body.
This man! He wrote my name with a golden.
Angel.
Will you go to hell?
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
My lord, for me to be able to prove that my client here is actually an innocent man and all the allegations made against him are truly false, I would like to cross-examine the opposition.
Please do.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Now, if I may ask, what is your name again?
My name is Precious LOP.
Of course, your name is Precious. Anyway, answer this question. Can you hold your breath for 2 minutes?
What do you mean? What kind of question is that?
No, answer it. It's actually a very simple question.
Well, I can't hold my breath for 2 minutes.
That's interesting. Why can't you hold your breath for 2 minutes?
Because it's a long time, though.
Thank you very much. Sir, as you can see, she has said that 2 minutes is quite a long time. So therefore, why is my client being accused of being a 2-minute man where she has already said that it is quite a long time?
No, it's not the same.
I put it to you that you are very ungrateful and you do not appreciate the good work of my innocent client.
Objection, my lord. Overruled. I declare him innocent. The court is adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Buy with me now. Buy. Water now. Boss, take. You know want this one? Coke, you know buy. Abi, you want pure water, boss? What's buy now?
Funny bros, we know the rest.
Every day one problem or the other. What is it again now?
God have
What will I do?
You flat?
I don't know what the problem is.
Oh. You checked the teleport?
I've checked everything. I don't know what the problem is.
This man!
Hey! Somebody help us! Somebody help us!
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
It is smoking book. It is taking there.
Wow. Is this your house?
Yeah.
It's very pretty.
This is one of my house in Accra here.
Do you live here alone?
Yeah, I live alone. You like it?
Of course. It's very
See. You know what? Let's go inside because we don't have time.
We are bad guys.
Let's go inside. It's my room.
Son, I told you it's a virgin. I'm just playing at something. I'm just playing at something. Yeah. Shut up. You cannot tell me that nonsense. You tell me I got to confirm.
Yes, we go do am. So you are calling me a liar?
You dey lie. You dey lie. You dey sleep with landlord.
Look their faces. All of them look like you.
Madam, none of these children look like me. You are cheating on me.
What do you call like your children? What do you fit tell me? Are they very fruitful? What did they talk?
You dey sleep with landlord. These are not my children. What are you trying to tell me? Hey, what's going on here? Why are people disturbing the peace and tranquility of this vicinity? What? Don't you know this is a medical hospital and the patients here need some peace? Huh? Doctor, see my waist. Doctor, wear small waist like this to go born all of these children. Look at their faces. Doctor, none of them resemble me. For all of them, self, only this one get work. The rest are useless children. Papa, say useless. Doctor, see, this one won't beat me. Doctor, these are not my children. There's no violence in my DNA. Doctor, I want to run a DNA test today.
Doctor, see problem. Wait till you expect from man where they use skin content less pleasure. Other men, 2 minutes they don't come down. My husband, once he take this skin come, now so he go dey fire like this, he no go dey tire. My husband no dey ever complain saying get weak erection. This man go just dey fire like engine. He go dey 2-3 hours on top my body. Hey! Doctor, man where they deliver like that, he no expecting his wife to deliver this kind of plenty children.
Doctor, even though they use King Kong 10S pleasure, when they make me the deliver as a healthy man. Doctor, I'm black, my wife black. How we carry born this one? Doctor, how we carry see albino born?
Well, it may be hereditary. You never can tell.
So you don't know say my uncle, mother, cousin, nephew, their junior sister there, they get albino. Yeah. They talk?
Doctor, even though somebody she talking are true. Doctor, how I use born this one? How I use born this one?
God will bless us with all these boys. Because they can use this one, they give us a jara. But this man still there ungrateful. Doctor, wait till me that. Hey.
Doctor, I will not accept these lies. Hey. Tell my children, I must run a DNA test today. What? I must run a DNA test today. Let's go.
No, while we go run them.
Well, if he insists, we'll do it. The DNA test is 500,000.
500,000? For all of them, let's do it.
No. 500,000 per person.
500,000 per person?
Yes, one person 500,000.
Okay, let's do only this one 150,000.
A child is a child, no matter his status. It's still 500,000, please. Come, let's go inside. Come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. That's 4 million.
Yes, only. Come, let's go inside.
No. My boy. My boy, Gino boy. Let's go home,
Papa, no. We must do this DNA test today.
Yes. No, now this is 4 million naira. You guys are my sons now. Junior, is your daddy, Junior boy. Junior boy. Let's go home. 4 million naira for what? I'll do a camo for you, Junior, smile for daddy. Smile for daddy, Junior boy.
Clothes and lipstick in our room, and it's not mine.
It's Sydney's.
Jesus! So what's he doing in the room?
He told me to hold it for him for the event.
Some people don't know me.
Well, let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Lord of Jesus. What? Jesus.
Come here.
Debtor.
Madam, calm down. There's money on the ground. Ego D. Calculate everything I've been owing you. Let me pay you now.
You say?
Jesus, my brain won't blow. How much be everything?
5,000. Everything is 10,000.
I didn't talk. You see the look me here. How much?
10,000.
Take this.
What be this?
Come.
Just keep the change.
So you know that this country, you know, say old naira not the rain again.
Oh, money they work again.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Are you saying? Kaya, shout, buy pepper. With your new currency. Idiot. Come on.
We are in battle in this war.
Jesus.
Wait, oh. On a spoiled my phone, I see they get married, talk any Abi.
Because that small phone that they make noise, Abi. Me and this my brother for here, we go pay for this phone.
Blood of Jesus.
I don't think say me need to call my name. Not fear.
What did this phone? You spoiled my phone, you pay this phone today.
I don't think say me need to call my name again. You got 800k. We not fear you. 800k we go pay your money times 7. My brother don't fear you, John. We not fear you for here. Cause I can't make I say your 800k. See the wine. Fear you. I say your 800k for here sharp sharp.
What you did that? You never call your account number now. I just say I want to transfer. I don't get one there. That's it. I don't fuck up. Run!
Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps, et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois, qu'un cabron m'a touché. Attends-toi, caballero, personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne, je suis une clandestine. Jesus!